All right. Our Jimmy have seen my screen. So this is a market outlook for today. I'll be starting with gold XAUUSD. So this is how I am approaching gold today. So um from the monthly time frame, yeah, I've already done this before, but then from the monthly time frame, this month opened and took out last month's low and swept it and still going to the upside. So I'm expecting price to take out the high of last month, then probably get on to this key level here. Yeah, because last month came from this open close key level and retraced a bit. So this month took it out and is so far bullish for this month. So I'm expecting price to take out the high of um April, then probably continue to the upside. So we're still waiting for confirmation. So on the weekly, what am I seeing on the weekly? For gold on the weekly. Okay. So last week swept previous week's low. So I can think I can assume that this is protected. Then this is a key level. If you go to the line chart, this is a key level, a V-shaped key level. So this week started up bearish in a way. So I'm kind of expecting price to come down to this key level and probably react from it and continue to the upside. Yeah. So um on the daily, because this is the high that I'm expecting price to take out, previous month high. Eh, so on the daily, let's see what price is doing. So that weekly key level on the daily, it is a breaker block. Yeah, it's a breaker block. If you look at it, it's a breaker block key level, open close key level, breaker block, anyhow you want to call it. And so far, price has been reacting in some kind of funny ways. But then, because yesterday, Monday, and okay, this was Friday, right? So price has opened today, and so far it's been bearish in a way. So yesterday took out Monday high, took out okay Friday high also, just took out all these highs, took out last week's high. Yesterday took out last week high, and today price has opened bearish. This previous so price has opened bearish. So I'm expecting price today to take out yesterday's low. Probably it should take out yesterday's low. This is just an outlook. So it should take out yesterday's low and then continue to the downside. Continue to the downside. Not continue to the downside. And probably react from this key level here. Let me react from this key level here. Yeah. So I'm expecting price to do something like this from here, then probably continue to the upside, something like this. This is what I'm expecting from price. So let's see if we can get an entry on the 4 hour. Okay, this is a key level for me, but then let's go to the 4 hour and see what price is doing. What's price doing currently on the 4 hour? Okay, um what's the range you're working with? The range you're working with currently is this range you're working with currently, this range from this low to this high. So where I'm expecting price to at least come into the 50%, which is still this our zone, our key level zones we are watching out for. That's 50%, at least into the discount zone so you can continue the buy. Prices are premium in a way. So what's 4 hours doing now? So 4 hour is okay. Currently price open from here and look at this. Look at this. So my outlook for now is I'm expecting this 4 hour candle closes in 25 minutes. So if this 4 hour candle closes bearish, I'll look for a sell entry. I'll look for a sell entry from here, from here, 2 hour, yeah, from here. All right, okay, can also be from here. So if this, let's go to lower time frame and look for a very good entry. Okay, so this is it. So I'll be taking an entry from here. If this 4 hour candle, okay, this 30 minutes candle closes here around here or something like that, I'll be taking a sell on gold from here, a continuation sell from this zone, my stop loss here, then all the way down, all the way down. This is almost far. Okay, let's just say it's far. Yeah, 4.17 now. So I'm expecting a gold sell from here all the way down, but it's on the condition that this 4 hour candle closes bearish. Yeah, so if this 4 hour candle closes bearish, we get this gold sell. We get it. So on the 2 hours, if it closes below here, then we sell gold. That's it for gold for now. From me. Then AUDJPY. What's AUDJPY doing? Okay, I had this marked out, but then let me just give you the thought process on it. It's not solid yet. AUDJPY has been bullish, a long-term bullish from the monthly. Last month was bullish, previous month kind of bullish also. So this month started bullish, and not normally we would expect price to take out last month's high to continue the bullish movement. So this previous month's high. So on the weekly, what do you see on the weekly? If we are going to take an AUDJPY trade, um we will be focusing more on continuation entries. Okay, so what do we have here? We have this break, key level break. Yeah, we also have this key level here. Though I doubt price will come to this key level again this week. So price are already tapped it when the week started, so it's continuing the bullish movement. Okay. What else are we seeing? Okay. On the daily, I have this open close here, this open close key level here. So I have this open close. I also have this somehow, but then let's go to the 4 hour to see if I can get an entry for this. Okay, so this is it, and is actually perfect for me. This is it. This will be my liquidity in this liquidity. So this is it. A sweep, break, continuation entry, a sweep and break. This is Asian low, if that still works. But then I don't see it as my inducement. I'm expecting price to just at least come down here, come to this my entry, and this is just um yeah, to this high. Probably above the high, but the high is okay. Three RR is okay. So just a continuation movement. Let's see 30 minutes. Let's see. But this should work out. So this is what we have for AUDJPY. This is what we have for AUDJPY. Alright. Hope you guys are seeing my screen. Okay. Alright. Alright. So that's it for AUDJPY. I have something like this. Then okay, let me screenshot. Let me just get a screenshot. Um, for BTCUSD, what do we have here? Okay, I had this drawn out, but let me just show you the thought process behind it. Monthly, because we do not do weekly beginning of the week review, so that's why I'm starting from the monthly. So on the monthly, what do we see? Price last month was bullish in a way. Last month's candle was bullish. So price started out from here, this key level here, and took bullish. Price has been bearish throughout since June last year. After price gold hit 120, right, 125, something like that. So price has been bullish. So the fundamentals, people are expecting gold to reclaim the highs and all that. So if that is the case, if gold should retrace, if gold does not retrace from here, of which here is a psychological zone, because if you notice, since gold reached here, it's been going up and down, ranging in a way. So if gold eventually breaks here, we may be looking for an all-time high, or just to take out this high here. Yeah, but that's if gold breaks out from this zone. So let's take the weekly. Let's see if we can get an entry on gold. What do we have here? What do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, this week, this is the week. There is this little tiny key level here. Okay, weekly key level, and what else? Okay, let's go to the daily. Not too much. Okay, the key level is still there. Now, what do we have on the daily? What do we have on the daily? We have this. We have this skill level here. And okay, yesterday was bearish, and we may want may expecting gold to. I'm expecting gold. Sorry, BTC. Sorry, this is a break of structure. Yeah, this is a break of structure in a way, and price has been reacting from this zone. It hasn't like broke out on anything, but if this zone should hold for a while, it should kind of bring BTC to the downside here, then continue the upside movement, something like this, something like this. But then I don't have a solid analysis yet. This movement came from this, yeah, came from this. I missed out on this trade. It was a miss entry for me yesterday due to a sweep, this particular movement from here. Due to spread, so price came from this key level here and started retracing to the upside. So price is either price breaks out from this zone, or if price cannot break out from this zone, it has to come down here to this zone and continue to the upside. It should. It's probably this all under probability, so it's not there is no sure stuff. This trade, I missed out on this trade yesterday from here, from this zone, due to spread. I called it out yesterday and I missed out on it due to spread. It was a very good trade, but then things happen sha. So this started out as a sweep. Let's check a sweep and break. So I don't think price is coming down here any longer. And if you notice, price has mitigated all these zones on the lower time frame. So I don't think price is coming down here anytime soon. I think price will take out this, and this is also kind of a liquidity something to us, something like that. But then I don't think price is coming down again. So this is a break. Yeah, a break. Let me get this right. A break. Yeah. So I'm looking for a buy entry on gold. I'm looking for a buy on gold from this zone, from this break. So of which here becomes my inducement. This one becomes my inducement, especially if it doesn't break out from here. So this one becomes my inducement and I'll have something like this on BTC, something like this. Oof, to the upside. Yeah, probably all the way to here, all the way to here. This is 4.3 hour. So yeah, this is what I have on BTC, almighty BTC, Odogu BTC. You get. So that's it for BTC. Moving on. CAD JPY, CAD JPY. This pair has been stressing my life. Oh my god. This pair has been stressing my life. But I'll not after this month I'll consider my trades on this pair and look out if I'll be removing it from my pairs. So monthly started up from reacting here. There's not much movement here. There's not much. I don't know what to get out from here really. Let me check quickly if I can see anything. To me, nothing is clear for me here. Nothing is clear for me here. This zone can hold, if this one can hold, then we'll be expecting a massive sell to the downside. If this one will hold, we're expecting a massive sell to the downside. That price that has been ranging, there hasn't been a proper break of structure. Even on the daily, there's not been a proper break of structure. You see. So I have nothing yet on card JPY. I have nothing yet on card JPY. Even okay, but there's a tiny little bit opportunity here if, but it's very low probability from this key level here. If you look at this is a break of structure, price will broke out from here. Price broke out from here on the daily. And okay, if I'm taking this, I'll be looking at this open close here, unmitigated open close here, open close key level. And what else am I saying? Go to the 4 hours. Okay, what am I seeing on the 4 hour? It's quite messy. It's quite messy. It's messy. This pair is messy. So let's see this. Nope. I'm sitting out on this pair. I'm sitting out on this pair. I'm sitting out on this pair. If I had wanted to take out, if I had wanted to take this trade, it should have been from this break. After this break now, price has already mitigated it already on the 4 hours. So it should have been something like this. So price has left us in this scenario. Price has left us something like this, to the upside. A very beautiful trade, or even to here. This high is okay, 4R, and the trade has already started. So I'm sitting this one out. So I'm definitely sitting this one out. All right. Which pair again is on my list? JP225. Hey, this is my JP225 trade. They pin me. Because I marked it yesterday and I forgot to set my limit order, and the thing moved without me. 7 hour is already at 5 hour. Oh, ching, oh my god. Okay, well then this is it. This was the trade yesterday. It was from a daily key level. Daily key level. Daily key level. That was the bias behind this trade from this daily key level. That was the idea behind the trade from this daily key level. It was just clear, easy trade. See the stop loss. The stop loss was below this low. That was all. This was kind of my inducement if I just taking it from the daily. And that's it for. I don't know if I can get a continuation entry. Let me know if I can get a continuation entry. But on the monthly, it's been bullish. Weekly, it's been bullish. So let me know if I can get a continuation entry from here. Continuation entry from the 4 hours intermediate time frame. So what am I seeing on the 4 hour? This is a break. Price broke from here. All right, this is a break. Okay, they used small candle before this break and a fair value gap, so probably it should probably hold. There is also this QMR here, QMR here, QMR here. All right, so I don't think the price will go past this low, so our entry should be between these zones. that fair value gap. Let me know. Let me refine it more. Refine. I think I'll be okay. I'll be taking a buy from here. Is low is low probability. It's not low probability. It's high probability. Yeah, but I'll be taking a buy from JP on JP 2225 from here. Yep, something like this. Let's get 3 hour. More the stop loss is more true. We have to refine this further. Okay, yeah. Let's refine this further. This is this open close overlapping on FVG. On the 2 hours, it is yeah, yeah. I'll be taking the trade from here from this zone. All right. Mm. Yeah, 3 hour is okay. Yeah, till this high, 3 hour is okay. If you can get to 3 hour, you take profit. So I have this on JP 225. Let's go. And for okay, J40, I already shared this thing on the Telegram channel. I will show you if price gets here, we are looking for a buy from here. It's a very and your stop loss can be here, but you can wait for confirmation by yourself. Oh.